Alright, what's up? This is Lab 7.6, working more with KPI and Excel. First thing we're going to do is create a pivot table or a data table off of the transaction date. Now we're going to create a pivot table. Now we need to create a new measure. We're going to call this current year. And to go along with that, we're creating a last year measure. To add to that, we're going to create a new KPI in which the base field is going to be current year, but our measure is going to be last year. It's going to be the same levels as always, 102 and 98. I'm going to put date hierarchy on the rows, auto detect. Great, I was able to make a relationship. Now we want to get rid of current year status. Instead, we're going to check status under current year to get exactly what we want. Now we want to compare the months. We're going to do the current month. Now we're also going to need, since we did current month, we're going to need previous month. And a KPI to go along with the months. We want the field to be current month. Compare it to previous month. And to finish it off, get rid of current month status. so we can have these. Now we want to bring the state and store level into this. We're going to create a slicer. Here we go. We have both the state and store slicers. We're going to play around with them. But if you want to create even more of a hierarchy, we are going to go back over here to Power Pivot, Diagram View, hold Shift as we select State and Store. That way we can create a hierarchy right here. And we're going to name it State and Store Hierarchy. Now let's close this right here. Now we're going to drag this right above the date hierarchy. And now you can really break it down by state, and in each state you can see how it is by the year. Go further into it in the month and compare it like how we did in the previous lab, but from starting all the way to state level, which is very vague and broad, and go all the way down to the specific day and compare it from last year to this year, last month to this month. And it's a really interesting way to set it up. You can go all the way down. And thank you. This is Lab 7-6.